Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class, we will start a new chapter. It is chapter number 15 and its name is Properties of Triangles. Now we know children what is a triangle? Triangle is a polygon. Triangle is a polygon made up of 3 line segments. A triangle is a polygon made up of 3 line segments. Like for example, if we will draw a triangle, then one line segment is this, another line segment is this one. Is it a polygon? No, because it is not a simple closed figure. Right now it is open. So if we will close it by using a third line segment, see like this, then we call it as a polygon. Simple closed figure, simple closed figure made up of line segments. And how many line segments? I have used 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's name it A, B. This is AB line segment, then BC and AC. So now it is a triangle. It is having how many vertices? 3. There are 3 vertices. This one. When a line segment joins, 2 line segments or more than 2 line segment joins at a point, then it is called as vertex. So A vertex, this one is B vertex and this one is C vertex. So how many vertices are there? How many vertices are there? 3. In the same way, we were having 3 sides. AB, this is one side. So write down is as this. Then BC, write down this. And AC or CA. Okay, so these are what? These are sides. And the last one is angles. How many angles are there? 3 angles. Angle A, so you call it as BAC. Angle A. Angle BAC. The middle one, angle A. Then the second one is ABC. This one. A angle, write the sign of angle ABC. And the third one is this one. This is A, do we write properly children? ACB, angle ACB. So in total we are having 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles in a triangle. You know it very well. You are learning these topics from the beginning beta, from I think from 4th onwards. Now we will move ahead with its some types and then we will come to the angle sum property of triangle. So now quickly let's see what you will see. You will see what is the types of triangle. Okay, what is triangle we have learned already, and now we are going to see what are the types of triangle. See, in this chapter we will learn about various types of triangle, angle sum property of triangle, exterior angle property, triangle inequality, and the last one which already I have highlighted from the beginning, that is Pythagoras theorem. So these 5 things we will learn in this chapter children. What are they? Various types of triangle. So our first exercise is based on various types of triangle and angle sum property of triangle. Our first exercise covered these 2 topics. Then the second exercise is based on exterior angle property. What is that property? We will discuss it when we will start the second exercise. Then triangle inequality is the third one, and the Pythagoras theorem. So all these points we will discuss in this chapter. Now let's see types of triangle. When you categorize the triangle on the basis of their side, means all the sides are equal children. If all the sides are equal, for example, see on the board, if all the sides are equal, this is also 5 centimeter, okay, this is also 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter, means all the sides are equal, then it is called as equilateral triangle. Okay, but if only two sides are equal, maybe 5 and 5, and this is 6 centimeter, then if the two sides are equal, then it is called as isosceles triangle. And if none of the sides are equal, for example, maybe it is 7 centimeter, okay? Imagine, I am imagining only. 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Is there any side which is equal? No. So this type of triangle where none of the sides are equal, 3 sides are there and none of the sides are equal, कोई भी एक दूसरे के बराबर नहीं है, तो scalene. Okay, so we are having 3 types of triangle based on sides. Based on side. Triangle, if you will see by looking their sides, then there are 3 types. All the sides are equal, equilateral. 2 sides are equal, isosceles. And none of the sides are equal, sab alag alag hai, then scalene. Now, let's see the next part. By angle. When you categorize it by angle, then what will be the types? So children, first one is acute triangle. If the angles, all the angles are less than 90 degree. Okay, this angle is less than 90 degree. This angle is less than 90 degree, this one also. Then this type of triangle is called as acute angle triangle. क्या कहते हैं उसको? Acute angle triangle. If one of the angle is 90 degree, if one of the angle is 90 degree, okay, like this, one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is called as, this type of triangle is called as right angle triangle. एक 90 डिग्री है तो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, दो 90 डिग्री हो ही नहीं सकता किसी भी ट्राइंगल में, ठीक है, ये वी विल डिस्कस इट. एंड देन इफ द ट्राइंगल इज मोर देन 90 डिग्री, if it is more than 90 degree, like this one, okay, like this one children, if it is more than 90 degree, one of the angle, only one of the angle is more than 90 degree, then such type of triangle is called as acute angle triangle. What is called? Okay, so such type of triangle is called as obtuse angle triangle. एक एंगल क्या है, 90 डिग्री से भी बड़ा है, obtuse angle triangle. So we have learned, we have seen that on the basis of side there are 3 types of triangle, on the basis of angle there are 3 types of triangle. Now let's move ahead children. So this one, classification of triangle, it is same as we have learned right now, that equilateral, see this is equiangular, all the angles and all the sides are equal, and in equilateral triangle all the angles are equal children, 60 60 and 60 degree. Now after this let's see the next one. This is also same. When you will categorize it by angle, acute angle, one is right angle and one is obtuse angle which is more than 90. कोई भी एक एंगल 90 डिग्री का हुआ तो वो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल हो जाएगा, एंड if it is more than 90 degree then it is obtuse angle triangle. And on the basis of side, if all the sides are equal, equilateral, if 2 sides are equal, isosceles, and if none of the sides are equal, then scalene. Okay, not scalene, scalene. Then next, sum of the angles in a triangle children. This is the topic. We are having a triangle, so what I have shown to you, that there are 3 vertices, okay, there are 3 sides and there will be 3 angles. In a triangle we will have 3 angles. Always whatever triangle you will draw, like this, okay, 1, this is 1, 2 and 3, there will be 3 angles, and the sum of all those 3 angles will be definitely equal to 180 degree. Clear? Always children, remember it. What you will remember? That the sum of all the 3 angles will be equal to 180 degree. हमने इसको लिया, मान लो टेक इट एज एंगल ए, इसको एंगल बी, एंड द थर्ड वन इज एंगल सी. सो द सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स जो भी होगा दैट विल बी डेफिनेटली इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. Surely it will be 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of triangle, and you can show it also. You can show it through practical, children. If I will suggest you, then after this period what you will do, you will take a page, any page, rough page or a white page. Okay, take a page, children, draw a triangle. Listen it carefully. How you will prove that the sum of all the three angles is 180? Ma'am is declared already, or you have learned in previous classes also. But how you can do it practically, I am going to show you. Okay, what you will do, it will be treated as your practical, beta, है ना? No need to write anything, only do it practically. So if you will have a triangle, like this is a triangle, use scale, children. I am using rough diagram. So angle A, B and C. You will draw a triangle first. Now color this angle with red color. Color this angle with red color. कोई भी एक कलर ले लो, मैंने रेड ले लिया. Color this angle with blue color. And color this angle with green color. कलर कर लीजिए पहले. कलर ऑल द एंगल्स, ऐसे जैसे मैम ने अभी कलर किया. मैम के पास तो ब्लैक कलर है, सो मैम इज यूजिंग ओनली वन कलर. यू विल यूज 3 डिफरेंट कलर, एनी विथ स्केच पेन और वट एवर कलर्स यू आर हैविंग, यूज दैट कलर एंड कलर इट, कलर द एंगल्स. नाउ टेक अ सीजर लीजिए एंड कट हेयर, कट फ्रॉम हेयर, ऐसे लेके कट करिए, कट फ्रॉम हेयर, ये कट कर दीजिए. तो यू विल गेट इन दिस वे. ओके, you will get in this way. ऐसे आपको मिल जाएगा ये. cut this angle. now from here cut this angle. ये भी एंगल कट कर दो बेटा, तो आपको ऐसे करके मिल जाएगा, है ना? ऐसे करके मिल जाएगा एंगल ए. और एंड कट दिस एंगल ऑल्सो, सी, इसको भी कट करिए. मतलब तीनों एंगल्स को आपको कट कर देना है. ठीक है. नाउ टेक एंगल ए, एक ऐसी लाइन ड्रॉ करिए. ठीक है. टेक एंगल ए एंड प्लेस इट हियर. उस एंगल को, इस एंगल को लो बेटा और यहाँ पे ऐसे उठा के रख दो, ऐसे. मान लो ये एंगल ए है, मान लो. ठीक. नाउ टेक एंगल बी, जो कट पोर्शन है, टेक एंगल बी एंड प्लेस इट हियर. इसी के जस्ट बगल में प्लेस कर दो ऐसे करके. तो ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, दिस वन इज एंगल बी. ओके. एंड ये एंगल ए हो जाएगा. एंड कट एंड वॉट एवर एंगल सी इज देयर, उसको लाओ और ऐसे रख दो. सो मान लो ये ऐसे है आपका. ठीक है. दिस इज एंगल सी. नाउ व्हाट यू कैन सी, you can see that this is on a straight line, 3 angles on a straight line, so it will make what? It will make 180 degree. It will make 180 degree. Quickly see what you have to do. I am waiting, children. Is it clear or not? Is it clear, children? I hope you all will do it. Okay? And keep it with you. No need to throw it here and there. Just keep it with you. We will use it as a practical. Now let's move ahead with the, see the PPT first. See the PPT. Yes. Angle A, this one, angle B and angle C. The sum of all the 3 angles will definitely equal to 180 degree. This is what, children? This is sum of angles in a triangle. Angle sum property कहते हैं इसको. Okay. Now let's see the question. Question is question number exercise 15 is, so question number 1, all odd parts your ma'am will do. So now let's see the question. If in a triangle ABC, angle A is given, angle B is given, you have to find angle C. So first we will draw a rough diagram. Write down question number 1. Write down given. What are given, children? Angle A is equal to 72 degree. Angle B is equal to 63 degree. 72 and 63, yes. And angle C you have to find. So first draw a rough diagram which you will give you an idea that what you have to do. Write down rough ऐसे, ठीक है, rough diagram in your copy. And then A, locate A, B, locate A, B and C. ठीक है, this is 72 degree, angle B is 63 degree. We have to find the third angle. Children, what we will use? We will use angle sum property. हमें क्या पता है कि तीनों एंगल का सम, ट्राइंगल के एंगल्स का सम कितना होगा? 180. We know it. Right now we have learned that the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we will use that. Okay, we will use that using what? Using, children, angle sum property. Angle sum property of which? Angle sum property of triangle. Okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Either write this statement or write this, and in a bracket write why you have written that all the three angles is 180 degree. It is up to you. Angle A 72, angle B 63, angle C we have to find 180 degree. Now 72 plus 63, 3 plus 2 is 5, and this one is 13. 135 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 135, children. Is it visible? Yes. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. This will become 7. Then 4. And 1 minus 1 is 0. 45 degree. Angle C is how much, children? 45 degree. Hence, angle C is 45 degree. So in this way, you will solve the question. Isn't easy? Easy है ना? Yes. We will write the given. क्या दिया है? क्या निकालना है? दिमाग लगाओ. Two angles are given. So third angle we can find by using this angle sum property. Put the value and find the value of C. Clear? I think it is clear. Now, next question. See the next question, children. In a triangle XYZ, angle X is this, angle Z is this, find angle Y. Same question, children. It is same. Write down and draw the rough diagram. I am erasing my board work. It is same, only the rough diagram will change and the given part will be changed. XYZ. Now it is XYZ. The name of triangle is XYZ. XYZ. And X is 90, Z is 48. X is 90 and Z is 48. Question number 2. Angle X is 90 degree. Angle Z is 48 degree. You have to find angle Y. I used to write Z in different way. Otherwise, sometimes it looks like 2. In running handwriting, Z looks like 2. That's why I used to write Z in this way. Now, children, we know that angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Put the value of X, 90. Y we don't know. Put the value of Z, 48. That is equal to 180 degree. So angle Y plus, add them, 8 and 13 is equal to 180. Angle Y is equal to 180 minus 138, sorry. 138. Yes, it is visible, or we can write here also. 10 minus 8 is 2, and then 7 minus 3 is 4. 42 degree. It is 42 degree. Angle Y is equal to 42 degree. Now see the next question. Question number 5. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Same, children. Two angles are given. Find the third angle. So put it in the angle sum property. Okay. And then you can find it. Now see the next question. Question number 5. One of the acute angles of a right triangle is 36 degree. Find the other. 36 degree, yes. Quickly do it. Write, draw the rough diagram. I am erasing my board work, children, and I will write the given part also. No angles is mentioned. One of the acute angle of a right triangle. So I am keeping it as XYZ. My triangle name is XYZ. Okay. Okay, now see. One of the acute angles of a right triangle is 36 degree. देखिए बेटा, if it is a right angle triangle, okay, question is one of the acute angle means जिसकी value less than 90 degree हो, ठीक है. One of the acute angle of a right triangle ये है. Right triangle means having 190 degree, one angle as 90 degree. तो जो दो दूसरे एंगल्स होंगे, टोटल 3 एंगल्स होते हैं ना. सो इफ वन इज 90 डिग्री, द अदर 2 विल बी लेस देन 90 डिग्री, मीन्स एक्यूट एंगल होंगे. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में एक 90 डिग्री होगा और बाकी दोनों एक्यूट एंगल होंगे, जरूर से, डेफिनेटली. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, इन अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है, इन दैट वन ऑफ द एक्यूट एंगल इज गिवन, that is 36 degree. It is 36 degree. So हम इसको ले लेते हैं 36 degree. So find the other. थर्ड को फाइंड करो आप, ठीक है. If one of the angle is, acute angle is कितना, 36 degree, then find the other. आप थर्ड को फाइंड करो. तो can you find children? अगर मैंने इसको ले लिया x, इसको ले लिया y, इसको ले लिया z, so given तो यहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं आएगा बच्चों. Given right angle triangle and one acute angle measurement is 36 degree. ये दो चीजें दी गई हैं, ठीक है. We have to find the other acute angle. So let the triangle be triangle XYZ. Let the triangle be triangle X, Y and Z. ठीक. Let the triangle be X, Y, Z. अब ड्रॉ कर लीजिए, और you can use without X, Y, Z also. कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. I have written because I have to show you that एक एंगल इसमें 90 डिग्री है. So X हमने लिया 36 यहाँ पे, Y हमने लिया 90 डिग्री, और let the triangle be XYZ right angled at Y. ये भी लिख सकते हैं आप, right angled at Y. Y पर हमने right angle लिया है इसको, प्लस एंगल Z हमें नहीं पता, 180. 90 प्लस 36 126 प्लस एंगल Z इज इक्वल टू 180. सो एंगल Z हो जाएगा 180 माइनस 126. सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए बेटा, 10 माइनस 6 इज 4 एंड 7 माइनस 2 इज 5. 54 डिग्री, 54 डिग्री, ठीक है. एंगल Z. हेंस अभी ऐसे ना लिखना है, Z नहीं पूछा उन्होंने. वी हैव एज्यूम्ड दैट राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल विच इज राइट एंगल एट Y, its value is like this. We have assumed. So you write it what? You write it at, hence the other acute angle measure is 54 degree. Hence the other acute angle is 54 degree. Okay. Now let's see this is question, not question number 2 children, this is question number 5. And earlier was question number 3. I have written question number 2 here, but the previous question was question number 3 and this one is question number 5. Okay. We have solved first question, then third question and now fifth question. So in this way we can have idea till fifth question. See question number 6 children, although it is not in our syllabus में तो है बेटा, but it is not in our picked question, but I am explaining it. Okay, see this. See the question. Question number 6 is, the acute angle of right triangle are in the ratio 2:1. Find each of these angle. ओके, क्वेश्चन रेशियो में दिया है बेटा, एंड दे सेड कि इट इज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल एंड देन देयर रेशियो इज गिवन. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, हाउ टू सॉल्व. आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग यू. Just explaining you and then you will solve it. It's very good question. The acute angle of a right angle triangle are in the ratio 2:1. देखिए, एक acute, एक right angle triangle है. सबसे पहले they have given that there is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means it will have a 90 degree angle. Surely it will have a 90 degree angle अगर वो right angle triangle है. This is a right angled triangle. So one of the angle will be 90 degree and the other two angles will be acute angles. 90 degree से कम होंगे sure. ठीक है, क्योंकि अदरवाइज सबका सम 180 नहीं हो पाता. तो एक अगर 90 है तो बाकी दो क्या होंगे, बाकी दो क्या होंगे, acute angle. It is 90 degree means its value is how much, 90 degree. Its value is 90 degree. ऐसे नहीं लिखते हैं, वैसे अंदर लिखते हैं. ये ऐसे बनाना ही मतलब ये स्क्वायर ऐसे बनाना ही मीन्स इट इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. नाउ दे आर इन द रेशियो 2:1. दे आर इन द रेशियो 2:1. हु द एक्यूट एंगल्स, दो एक्यूट एंगल बचे ना, दे आर इन द रेशियो 2:1. एंगल्स आर नॉट गिवन टू अस. दे हैव गिवन दैट their ratio, whatever their value is, their ultimate ratio, the simplest form is 2:1. Now it is not 2 and it is not 1, isn't it? दो 2 degree और 1 degree तो होगा नहीं ना. So it will be what? It will be 2x and 1x. 1x means simply x. समझ में आया? Let the acute angle, let the acute angle of right angle triangle be 2x and 1x. 1x means simply x. Therefore, by using angle sum property of triangle, okay. Therefore, by using angle sum property of triangle, the sum of all the three angles will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. Angle sum property. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे आप angle sum property of triangle. तो पहला एंगल क्या है? 90 डिग्री, क्योंकि ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. अदर टू एंगल्स वर 2x and x. 1x का मतलब x हो गया. So 90 plus 2x plus x, how many? 3x. दोनों को ऐड करेंगे ना, ये दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. ओके, क्यों ऐड कर देंगे? लाइक टर्म्स है, हैविंग x x. So 2x plus x, 3x हो गया. That is equal to 180 डिग्री. Now ये 90 उधर चला जाएगा बेटा. 3x is equal to 180 minus 90. x is equal to 90 और 3x is equal to 90 और x is equal to 90 by 3. ये 3 नीचे चला जाएगा, है ना. So ये कितना जाएगा? 3 3 जा 9. x की वैल्यू 3 आ गई. So x की वैल्यू 3 आ गई मीन्स अगर एक 2x है एंड दूसरा x है तो एक एंगल कितना आ गया? 30 डिग्री. वन ऑफ द एंगल इज 30 डिग्री. x की वैल्यू 30 डिग्री आ गई तो एक एंगल 30 डिग्री आ गया. और दूसरा क्या है? 2x. 2x मीन्स 2 इंटू x की वैल्यू. ठीक है, तो 2 इंटू 30 डिग्री, दैट इज 60 डिग्री. ऐसे करना है इसको. एक 90 डिग्री होगा और बाकी दोनों रेशियो में 2:1 रेशियो में है, तो हम क्या लेंगे उसको? ऐसे लिखेंगे, लेट इट बी 2x and x. देन सम ऑफ ऑल द थ्री एंगल्स इज 180 डिग्री. सम करिए x x टर्म्स को, सेपरेट 90 डिग्री ऑन अदर साइड, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. ठीक है, x की वैल्यू आई 30. पुट इट इन द एंगल्स विच यू हैव टू फाइंड. x 30 है और 2x कितना है? 2 इंटू x की वैल्यू दैट इज 30. 2 इंटू x दैट इज 60 डिग्री. Hence the two acute angles of right angle triangle which are in the ratio 2:1 are 30 degree and 60 degree. देखो ये भी acute है, ये भी acute है. और एक 90 डिग्री ऑलरेडी था. सम करिए, 90 प्लस 60 प्लस 30, 180 आ गया. So in this way we can solve such type of question. This chapter is very interesting, children, and when you will solve, when after this period, when you will solve the rest of the question, you will feel more confident in your topic. Okay, so now I am winding my today's class, and in next class we will move ahead with the leftover question of this exercise. Your homework will be even parts from question number 1 to 6. 6 already I have solved. So question number 2 and 4. Only these two over your homework for today. Till then, children, take care.